Today we are presenting our topics about impact of rain, and we are from group 22, and this is our members here. So our topic is about water, and it's got by rain. And the general purpose is to inform, and the specific purpose is to inform our audience about the impact of rain in our life. So the impact of rain must be our topic that we want to talk about for today. This is our central idea. There are positive and negative impact of rain. So in here, there are two types of impact of rain, which is negative and positive. Okay, we are moving to our first main point and second main point. Our first main point is the positive impact of rain, which is rainwater harvest. And it is controlled by this added to the climate change, reduce the water crisis, and increase the food production in agriculture. And our second main point, talking about the negative impact of rain. And they are controlling by increasing the rate of flood and road accident. So we are moving our first main point here. This is our first main point, the positive impact of rain, which is rainwater harvest. So firstly, we control by added to the climate changes. So we will explain about the rainwater harvest adaptation to climate change. And our second controlling media is reduce water crisis. And it become our second subtopic, which is water harvest, reduce the water crisis. And the third control media is increase the food production in agriculture. So we're moving here, which is our third subtopic. So we are moving to our first subtopic here. This is our subtopic for the first main point. Adaptation to the climate change, which is controlled by the rainwater harvest. So, as we can see here, adaptation to climate change is proposed by the Research and University of Forest Management, which is an example of our expert testimony. Stated during the drought condition by taking the ability of harvesting water. So by this way, when the drought season comes, we can use rainwater that we have stored. So our point here will be support with our support here. We are using, this is the evidence that first subtopic said that during the drought season that they can receive investment. So it is evident, and according to the Nordic Development Fund website, they say that we can profit from harvesting rainwater for clean water access to overcome the expected agro dry season due to climate change. Okay, we are moving to the second subtopic here, and my others member will explain about it.
Good evening. Okay, I will continue with second subpoint for the first main point, which is the positive impact of rain. The second subpoint is rainwater harvest is beneficial to reduce the water crisis. And here we use the expert testimony from Dr. George SFG, the Director of Ghana's Council for Scientific and Industrial Research (CSIR), from Bernama newspaper, February 27, 2014. He said rainwater harvesting would enable Ghanaians to reduce the pressure they put on themselves when searching for water during a water crisis. And this A here we use as the sub point to support the sub point, which is in East Africa. Nearly all people depend on rainwater harvest as the alternative for water supply during period of water crisis. You can see the arrow here is the flow from the sub point. This is the keyword for the sub point, and to support the sub point, we use the sub point. This you can see the arrow, and this blue color is the keyword. And then the second sub point is the from the 2009 report rainwater harvesting, a lifeline for human well-being, prepared by the United Nations Environment Programme and Stockholm Environment Institute, reveals that even small rainwater storage will give a great impact for 15 million people in China by improve their livelihood. And you can see the arrow there point to the keyword here for the sub point, which is the provide. Research demonstrate that the rainwater store provided sufficient drinking water to a sum of almost 30,000 families and almost 50,000 huge livestock and approximately 150,000 small animals. Okay, we move to third subpoint, which is rainwater harvest is also beneficial to increase the food production in agriculture. And again, we use the expert testimony from Hakim Steiner. He is a United Nations Under Secretary General, the Executive Director of the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP). He said rainwater harvesting have a higher ability of doubling food production by 100% rather than only increase 10% from irrigation. Second sub point is he have also stated that 80% of 100% of the world's agricultural land area rely on the rainfall for water, and about 70% of the globe's major food produce. And that arrow show the example, which is almost 100% of Africa and 90% of Latin America using rainwater storage for their farmland. Okay, we continue. We continue with fourth, third subpoint.
Okay, seeing both of my friends have talked about the first main point about the positive impact of rain just now, so now I will proceed about the second main point, which is the negative impact of rain. So our second main point is the negative impacts of rain are increasing the rate of flood and road accidents. And this second main point will become the topic centers. This is negative impact of rain become the topic's idea, and flood and road accident become the controlling idea. And this controlling idea is supported by the subpoint A, which is heavy rain can lead to serious flood. And this subpoint A is also is at topic centers, which is heavy rain become the topic idea, and the serious flood become the controlling idea. And the serious flood is controlled by this sub-point evidence. According to the New Straits Times, November 19, 2014, Kuala Terengganu hold the highest ranking of flood ever due to the heavy rain. And this sub-point is support